Hello everybody, welcome back to another watch unboxing. But this time, the setup is a little different from my other unboxing videos. With the previous ones, the watches were either bought directly from the AD or were ordered online from an authorized dealer. An example of which is my Tissot PRX unboxing, to which you can access the full video in the exclamation point link or cards in the upper right corner of your screen. And there is a reason why I mentioned this video in particular, and I'll explain this a little bit later. So let's get on with the story. When the G-Shock GA2100 SKE-7A, or the G-Shock model with the semi-transparent parts, was released a few months back, I immediately gravitated towards it. I thought it was a very cool iteration of the model. As expected, the model is not available here in the Philippines and even in Singapore. Whenever a stock is posted online, it immediately sells out. For a stroke of luck, my brother who lives in Singapore was able to grab one, not knowing that I have been wanting one for myself. Upon learning of this, I immediately messaged him and asked that he orders one for me when it becomes available. To make the long story short, he was able to buy one for me at an offline store, and I told them to hold on to it, thinking that I'd be able to travel there soon. But given the new variants of COVID, the idea of me traveling to Singapore seems to be fading more and more, at least for the time being. Having waited long enough, I asked my brother to just have the watch shipped to me, and I gave specific instructions so as to avoid any delays through Philippine customs. These set of instructions I've provided is to help customs determine upfront if my package is taxable or otherwise. I understand the process, and that as needed, they can open packages that they feel should be checked further. This is why I love UK online sites like Mr. Porter and Selfridges, because after you have put in your delivery address, what they do is deduct the UK applicable taxes and impose the taxes of the country of destination. This way, Philippine customs will see upfront that everything had been settled, hence there is no need for them to open the package. Having said this, I realized that my beef is really on how the gray market has been importing hard to find luxury watches, and allegedly without ever getting charged of a sizable import duties. Anyway, that's for another video. Let's proceed with the unboxing. So you will see that this package was opened by customs by this torn portion of the box and the reapplication of the packing tape, which by the way was done very poorly. In any case, here's the watch, and I have to say that it is exactly as I have pictured it in my mind. This iteration makes it a little more interesting somehow. And right off the bat, I noticed that this watch is lighter than my other watch of the same model. Let's do some close-up shots of the watch. This is the watch on my wrist. My wrist size is approximately 16 centimeters, but I prefer wearing my watches a little bit loose, and you will notice this if you check my other videos. So here they are again, side by side. Which one would you choose? Thank you for staying till the end of the video, and please make sure to support the channel. You know what to do. And head on to my Instagram account. If you have questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and stay safe.